Hello guys, welcome back to Good Fair Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to download Discord on your Windows as well as on your Mac and how to do this up. So let's get started. First thing, you just have to your Google Chrome like this and you have to search for Discord download. Now click over here at the top. Now there are options like you can go for download for Windows as well as Windows 7 or higher, as well as you have also option for other platforms like Mac, Linux and even Android as well as for iOS. You can go for it. So here you have to click on download for Windows. Once the download is done, you just have to click over here and you just have to go for run. This is the Discord, and this is how you can connect with your friends and you can join in between. And this is how you can download Discord on your Windows and how to do this up. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.